Hey traders, this is Mike Sir here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to continue my new series of showing you what tools I use on a daily basis to analyze the financial markets. So for this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple way to determine what price you should buy or sell a stock at, and this involves knowing where the support and resistance price levels are. So let's get started. So first off, let me explain to you what support and resistance are. They're price levels where historically the price reacts either by reversing or slowing down, and prior price behavior at these levels are used as a guide for future price direction. So let me teach you how to determine a price support level. It's an area where buying starts and selling subsides. And it's an area where you want to start to think of buying. But what you want to do is you want to wait until that there is confirmation that this is indeed a strong price support level by seeing the price hit that level at least 2 or 3 times. So here you can see a chart of Google, and here is the price support level. You can see hit this level around 2000 here once, twice, and 3 times. So that would indicate to you that this is indeed a strong price support level, and this is an area where you want to start to consider buying. Now let me teach you how to determine price resistance levels, and it's an area where selling starts and buying subsides. So it's an area where you start to think of selling, and it's an area where sellers sense the price isn't going any higher so that they look to take profits. But again, what you want to wait for is wait until that there is confirmation that this is indeed a strong resistance price level by seeing the price hit that level at least 2 or 3 times. So here's again a chart of Facebook, and you can see that this is a resistance level right here around 358. You can see it hit here once, twice, and 3 times. So again, that indicates to you that this is indeed a strong price resistance level, and this is an area that you definitely want to consider selling. So where can support and price resistance levels be found? Now they can be found at whole numbers, previous highs or previous lows, either tops or bottoms of price channels. Before I talk about how support and resistance levels can help you, please stick around to the end of the video as I will randomly pick several charts. I'll draw the support and resistance levels for you and tell you what price to buy and sell a stock at. So here's a chart of Facebook. You can see the resistance level right here. You can see this level hit 1, 2, 3 times. And basically, the more times a stock fails to break above a certain price level, the stronger that price resistance level is, and therefore you should sell. It's the same thing for a price support level, where the more times a stock fails to break below a certain price level, the stronger that price support level is, and you should buy. So again, here's a chart of Google, and you can see here clearly that it can't break through this $2,000 price level, hit here once, twice, and 3 times. However, once a stock breaks above its price resistance level, then the resistance level becomes the support. So here's a chart of Netflix here. So you can see here, this was a resistance level we drew across here at 394. Once it broke above, it comes back down, and then this level now serves as a support, right? And it originally was a resistance level, came back, and it served as a support level. And you can see that it tried again, went up, and then went back down, served as a support level before going higher. So this also applies to price support levels. So once a stock breaks below its price support level, then the support level becomes the resistance level. So here's a chart of Norwegian Cruise Lines. You can see here, I drew a support line here, extend all across, hit here, 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 and here. So you can see here, once it broke through this support level, it turns into a resistance level. So you can see it dropped back down here, and then rose, and then hit this resistance level right here. Okay, let's choose some random charts and draw some support and resistance levels and see if there's an opportunity to buy or sell a stock. So here's a chart of gold versus the US dollar. So let's look for some support levels here. So what I see is right here, support level. You can see that they hit this here a few times and it broke out, and then right here, 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 and here. So the price is around 1800 right now. So if it comes back to the 1760 level, that would be a price support level. You can consider looking at buying there. If it does break through this price support level, the next level that I will look at is just right here at 1680. So you can see here, look at how many times it hit the support level right here and here. Now, in terms of resistance level, I don't really see anything that's clear because hasn't been any levels that have hit at least 2 or 3 times. Probably here is a major resistance level. So around 1962. So what I would consider is if you were looking to buy or sell gold, the 1760 level would be one level, another level would be 1680, resistance level to sell at would be at 1962. So here's a chart of Ethereum versus the US dollar. So let's see if we can find some support and resistance level to draw. So one thing that I see right away is around basically this area here. Around 1700. This has been some of a support level we can see right here. Broke here, but you can see here, 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So 1700 seems to be a strong price support level for Ethereum. Another minor level that I see is right here. Around 1400 for 1409. This one's not as clear. You can see it hit a few times here and then support right here. So that would be the next support level. In terms of resistance levels, again, looking at this chart here, there's nothing really that clear. If you look at around the 2400 level, what I'd like to see is I'd like to see Ethereum hit that level again and then bounce back off of that. So that would indicate to me that that would be a strong price resistance level. Right now, I only see it probably hit, actually hit twice here, 1 here, twice here. But I prefer if it hit this again to signify that is indeed a price support level. Anything that's a little higher, we can probably maybe look at here, hit here once and twice here. So the next level will be around the 2900 area. And that's it. Yeah. So in terms of looking at price support and resistance levels, if the price hits 1702, comes back here, that might be a good opportunity to buy. If it breaks through that, the next level will be 1409. If it hits this resistance level 2402, that is a level to sell. If it breaks through that, the next level to sell is around 2894. Let's look at one more chart where we can draw our support and resistance levels. So here's a chart of the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. So again, looking at this, what we can probably see is a support level right here. So you can see pretty close to right here. So around the 1.05365, you can see a resistance right here, here, and then here. So that is a support level, which is getting very, very close to that. In terms of a resistance level, what we can probably see is around here. Yeah, around the 1.08225. You can see that this level is here, 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 and here. So if the price goes back up to here, then it's going to be a resistance level. So just looking at this, I say these are probably the clearest, because you can see that the price is actually in a really tight channel. So what you would do for this one is you would buy near the support level right here and sell near the price resistance level right there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to watch other videos where I show you all the tools that I use on a daily basis to analyze the financial markets, please click on the left for more videos and click on the right for the full playlist. I'll see you in the next video.